inside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus.
Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining us today to experience the launch of Toyota's most awaited compact SUV, the all-new Urban Cruiser. I hope you and your family are keeping safe and in good health. I am Rohit Pilani, CEO of Rajpal Toyota, would like to welcome all our customers, my dear friends and viewers who have taken time to join us today. Your trust and support means a lot to us. As we all know that situation has been changed now and digital platforms are the new normal. This gives us the opportunity to celebrate the launch of new Toyota Urban Cruiser with all our customers virtually. The launch of Toyota Urban Cruiser is very big deal for all of us at Toyota, and we wanted to make sure that we deliver as per our customers' expectations. Right now, there is increase in demand of compact SUV, and with Urban Cruiser, Toyota will be increasing its range in SUV segment. With the launch of Urban Cruiser, we will be catering a wide set of Toyota customers, and it will be an opportunity for young customers to enter into Toyota's SUV family. This will also give new customers the experience Toyota's global safety standards and also sales and after sales service. So not taking much of your time, let me introduce you with our prestigious guest, Mr. Mahesh Rajpal and Mr. Deepak Rajpal, the directors of Rajpal Toyota. Mr. Rajiv Sharma, General Manager Sales, Toyota Kirloskar Motor. Before we unveil the car for all of you, let me invite Director of Rajpal Toyota, Mr. Deepak Rajpal, to share his thoughts.
Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Toyota. Today I welcome all of you for the launch of the youngest SUV from Toyota, Urban Cruiser. Urban Cruiser का जो front grille है, it looks so pretty, so attractive. It looks like छोटा Fortuner, baby Fortuner. कुछ काफ़ी कस्टमर्स जिन्होंने इनके पिक्चर्स देखे हैं, मैगजीन्स में देखी है, उन्होंने आगे होके हमको बताया कि ये छोटा Fortuner लग रहा है. इसका जो इंटीरियर है वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है, बहुत स्पेशियस है, काफ़ी लेग रूम है, काफ़ी कंफर्ट देता है. इसमें 1.5 लीटर का पेट्रोल इंजन है जो कि ऑटोमेटिक और मैनुअल ट्रांसमिशन दोनों में ही उपलब्ध है. इसमें 3 वेरिएंट हैं, तीनों वेरिएंट में ऑटोमेटिक और मैनुअल ट्रांसमिशन उपलब्ध है. इसकी फ्यूल एफिशिएंसी बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त है, अराउंड 19 किलोमीटर्स पर लीटर. ये हमारा छोटा फॉर्च्यूनर 9 कलर में अवेलेबल है, 6 मोनोटोन और 3 ड्यूल टोन कलर्स में. हमको तीनों ड्यूल टोन कलर्स का बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त रिस्पांस मिल रहा है. वी हैव रिसीव्ड 100+ बुकिंग्स इन लास्ट 20 days and I am very happy that all our customers are appreciating this product. So I would like to welcome all of you to the world of Toyota for the launch of all new youngest SUV from Toyota, the Urban Cruiser. Also, now it is upcoming festival season. तो मैं चाहूँगा कि आप सभी लोगों को नवरात्रि, दशहरा और दीपावली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हमारे राजपाल टोयोटा परिवार की ओर से. इस त्यौहार के सीज़न में ये गाड़ी आई है, इसका सभी को बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल, बहुत ही बेनिफिट होने वाला है. तो बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त प्रोडक्ट, बहुत ही सही टाइम पे लॉन्च हुआ है. तो प्लीज़ मेक यूज़ ऑफ इट. टच एंड फील द न्यू टोयोटा अर्बन क्रूज़र एट राजपाल टोयोटा. विजिट राजपाल टोयोटा एट होशंगाबाद रोड. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much Deepak ji for sharing the journey of Rajpal Toyota. Definitely it was very inspiring. Coming 3 months are full of festivals and best time to take home a new family member as Toyota vehicle. Let me now invite Mr. Rajiv Sharma from Toyota Kirloskar Motors to share few words about the launch of Urban Cruiser.
Thank you very much Rohit for making me part of this important function. And first of all, I would like to congratulate Mahesh ji and Deepak for introducing this important car from Toyota Fold to the customers of this area. I would like to wish each and everyone a very happy Navratras and the upcoming festive season. And I am very happy that on this auspicious occasion, we are introducing this car, we are making this important compact SUV urban cruiser from Toyota. We are making it available to all the customers. And this A compact SUV segment is the fastest growing segment in Indian auto industry. And at the same time, beyond keeping the basic tagline of Toyota and basic belief of Toyota, which is safety first and quality must. So beyond this, we have taken all suggestions from the customers, and we have included like whether it is a comfort, whether it is a luxury, whether it is a safety, whether it is a ruggedness, what all customers need, those have been incorporated in this product to see that it fulfills the need of all the customers. From Toyota, I would also like to pay my gratitude to the customers for the overwhelming response to this product, and we have received tremendous amount of booking of this product, and the customers, even without looking at the product and without even knowing the price, they came forward and they have booked this product. That shows the commitment of the customers and belongingness and attachment of the customers to brand Toyota. So we are thankful from bottom of our heart to all the customers, and we are working very hard and to ensure the faster delivery of this product to all the customers. And once again, I would like to wish all the best to Deepak, Mahesh ji and the entire team of the Rajpal Toyota. All the best, and thank you very much once again.
Thank you very much, Rajiv ji, for sharing these facts. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the time has come to unveil Toyota's new entrant in the portfolio, the all-new Urban Cruiser. Let me request Mahesh ji and Deepak ji to join me on the stage.
Hello everyone, thanks to all of you for visiting Rajpal Toyota and to make this event a grand success. Thank you and have a look and enjoy the vehicle.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we have Toyota Urban Cruiser in front of all of you. Let me give you a brief introduction about this car now. As we all know that Toyota is known for its quality, durability, reliability and safety. On the same lines, Toyota Urban Cruiser has been launched and this will be the latest entry in compact SUV segment. So let's start with the exterior. See the grille, which gives a wide stance to the vehicle. This vehicle will definitely stand out when it will be there on the roads. किसी को बोलना नहीं, ऐसा लगता है जैसे मिनी फॉर्च्यूनर खड़ी है. So this is about the grille and the front. This also comes with LED projected headlamps, which improves visibility and safety for night time and also enhances the looks of the vehicle. Talking about alloy wheels, vehicle will have 16-inch precision cut alloy wheels. This allows for faster acceleration. Moving to rear now, LED tail lamps and rear parking sensors will add to looks of vehicle and safety for the passengers. Vehicle will have a boot space of 328 liters, which is easily accessible and expandable, that can fit any bags easily. Let's move to inside now. See, dual tone dark brown interiors. This gives customer a feeling of traveling in a premium SUV. Push start stop button, added convenience to the driver. Automatic air conditioning system helps in maintaining the temperature even in hot summer days. 7-inch smart touch screen audio with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This offers entertainment while you are on the move. Steering mounted controls provide convenience of access to infotainment, calls and cruise control. Multi-information display, which is MID, gives clear and crisp vehicle information. Electrochromic inside rear view mirrors increases safety and prevents from temporary glare blindness. Rain sensing wipers, it turns on automatically and helps you focus on roads during heavy rain conditions. Cooled glove box, keep your drinks cool. If we talk about its engine, it has a powerful 1.5 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine. This gives the power of 104 PS at 6000 RPM and 138 Newton meter of torque at 4400 RPM. Over and above, all the variants will have manual and automatic transmission. Let me also share the mileage, which is ARAI certified. For manual transmission, it will be 17.03 km per liter and 18.76 km per liter for automatic transmission. As we know, Toyota is known for its safety. Urban Cruiser will have teched body structure, which offers enhanced safety for the occupants without compromising on efficiency. Dual airbags with ABS and EBD standard across variants. Rear view camera, rear parking sensors, front fog lamps are some of the features which enhances customer safety. Still, there are list of features which I will request you to experience during your visit to Rajpal Toyota Bhopal. Ladies and gentlemen, as we have launched Urban Cruiser today, I can see lot of excitement among our customers. Let us hear it from them only. Ladies always first. मैम अभी करंटली कौन सी कार यूज कर रही हैं?
Maruti Ciaz.
मारुति सियाज. ओके, तो मैम कैसी लगी आपको अर्बन
हाँ, it's very nice, smart look, and the seat is also very comfortable, and ground clearance is better than Ciaz.
मैम अभी कौन सी कार यूज कर रहे हैं मैम आप?
Sir, currently I'm using Yaris Toyota.
यारिस टोयोटा. मैम क्या अच्छा लगता है मैम आपको यारिस में?
अच्छी कार है, उसकी ओवरऑल लुक बहुत अच्छी है, अंदर से बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है और वैसे भी पर्सनली मुझे टोयोटा बहुत पसंद है.
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम. और मैम अर्बन क्रूजर आज आपने देखी, आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत ही अच्छी कार है. लुक में मुझे ऐसा लगा कि बिल्कुल मिनी फॉर्च्यूनर जैसी है, तो डेफिनेटली मैं बुकिंग करा के जा रही हूँ. आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट मैम इंटीरियर्स? आपको अंदर
इंटीरियर भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है और आई रियली लाइक इट, लाइक दिस कार.
थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम.
Thank
तो
you
आपकी
so much.
बुकिंग कर देते हैं आज मैम.
श्योर श्योर.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
लाइक फ्रंट से इसका थोड़ा ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव है एज़ कम्पेरिजन टू मैं कंपेटिटिव मॉडल देखूँ तो. स्पेशियस है गाड़ी एंड ओवरऑल जो फीचर्स एक होने चाहिए वो सारे हैं. इस गाड़ी में सबसे अच्छा फीचर कौन सा लगा? ये सबसे बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है इस रेंज में, इतने फीचर्स आपको मिल रहे हैं. नो डाउट मार्केट में कंपेटिटिव रहेंगे, बट मैं टोयोटा से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि टोयोटा, क्योंकि पहली बार सेगमेंट में आया है सब 4 मीटर में टोयोटा, तो उसमें देखा जाए तो ये काफ़ी बेटर प्रोडक्ट है ना.
और बूट स्पेस भी अच्छा है, कंफर्टेबल भी है और बाकी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. वैसे स्टीयरिंग में थोड़ी सी है, एवरेज 20 18 19 का बता रहे हैं आप, 19 20 19 का एवरेज भी अच्छा है. फॉग लैम्प भी है और इसमें LED लाइट भी है. इंजन भी अच्छा है, सारा कुछ है. बम्पर कवर भी अच्छा है इसमें. हाँ हाँ, नहीं अच्छा है गाड़ी का. कलर चॉइस भी अच्छे हैं.
So ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of Urban Cruiser digital launch. It was great hosting you all. Hope you all have liked it. Looking forward to welcome all of you at Rajpal Toyota to touch and feel all new Urban Cruiser, the compact SUV. Let me also ensure you that we are keeping all safety measures for our valuable customers. It is time to say goodbye to all of you. Rohit Pilani signing off.